special adjustment is ITC. Remember, that stock goes ex the hotel business today. The listing will happen at a later date. We don't know the date yet. But overall, this adjustment is what is expected. Brokerages are talking about how ITC Hotels value can be around 200 to 300 rupees when it does list. But what will be the adjustment today and what are the brokerages saying on the same? Let me take it across to Sharad for that. Hi, Sharad. Good morning.
Well, yes, the important date for ITC shareholders, and today is the date for the eligibility for the shareholders for the ITC hotels. Now, today, importantly, if you are holding 10 shares in ITC, then you are eligible to have 1 share in ITC hotels. Also, the price determination part and for ITC hotels, and this is until the listing. The listing date is not announced. The street is expecting roughly 1.5 months to 2 months it might take. Now, it's based on this difference on ITC's closing price on 3rd January, which was of course Friday's trading session, and the opening price of today, there would be a special price discovery session. Now, the impact on the domestic passive indices, as per Nuvama, they have stated that they will be maintaining a constant price based on the difference from the 3rd January closing and the open price of ITC, which is discovered in the special price pre-open session. Now, it will be excluded from the indices for 3 business days after its listing day, and if the stock hits upper circuit limit, the exclusion will be postponed by 2 trading days each time. Now, this seems similar and what we had seen in Jio Financial listing. Now, let's look at the prices, what the brokerages are expecting. The implied fair value is what they have taken out. Nomura, ITC Hotels, they are expecting to list between 200 to 300 rupees with a market cap ranging between 42,500 to 42,000 to 60,000 odd crore rupees. Central Broking, the target price is at 583 for ITC, which would be adjusted by almost 17 rupees per share post the demerger. And for Nuvama, they have given an initial market price of ITC hotels to range between 150 to 175 rupees per share. IT's price to be adjusted by the merger stands between 22 to 25 rupees, and for SBI Securities, the implied fair value ranges between 113 to 170, and the adjusted price of ITC post merger stands between 470 to 473. So the range is very large. The domestic broking houses are given, it ranges from 113 to almost 300. So it will be very important to actually look at the discovery numbers once the important special pre-open trade session kicks in.